This is the story of women with an indomitable spirit who did not accept things they could not change. They changed the things they could not accept. Since 2005, CII has been recognizing such women through its Woman Exemplar Award. Now, in its 19th edition, this program is a benchmark for recognizing grassroots women leaders who stand tall as nation builders. This year, CII Foundation received over 300 nominations from across the country. The nominated grassroots women leaders have led social transformation in the areas of education, health, and micro-enterprise. The nominations were scrutinized using a multi-step process, which included telephonic interviews, due diligence visits, and jury assessment by eminent members from industry, the development sector, and the media. Presenting the education category finalists. Basmati Gagrai from Jharkhand. Videshini Patel from Odisha. Pramila Chauhan from Madhya Pradesh. Ranjita Pawar from Maharashtra. Sandhya Devi from Odisha. The CII Foundation is proud to present the award in the education category to Ranjita Pawar from Osmanabad, Maharashtra. Ranjita Pawar, born into the stigmatized Laman Banjara tribe, rose as a bold advocate from Osmanabad, overcoming abuse, violence, poverty, and gender discrimination. She founded Samarth Kalyankari Sanstha, empowering 40,000 plus individuals from nomadic tribes and denotified tribes with foundational education in the local dialect Gormati, which led to notable academic and psychological progress among Laman children. We salute Ranjita's dedication and present her the Education Category Award for her transformative impact on her community. Presenting the Health Category finalists. Chandravati Nigam from Uttar Pradesh. Khiroda Mahato from Jharkhand. Maina Jat from Rajasthan. Meena Singh from Uttar Pradesh. Rumi Parveen from Bihar. In the health category, the award goes to Rumi Parveen from Kishanganj, Bihar. Battling poverty, child labor, and an abusive marriage, Rumi emerged as a change maker in Kishanganj, Bihar by the age of 23. She identified and tackled the prevalent issue of tuberculosis in the region and exhibited exceptional leadership during the COVID-19 pandemic. Rumi's commitment to holistic health led her to establish Sapno Ki Pehel, an NGO focusing on menstrual and reproductive health, and developing women leaders along the way, impacting over 170,000 women and children through her work. The CII Foundation presents the Health Category Award to Rumi for her unwavering dedication to holistic health. Presenting the Micro-Enterprise Category finalists. Amitaben Patel from Gujarat. Anuradha Bharadwaj from Uttar Pradesh. Godavari Maravi from Madhya Pradesh. Leelabati Mohanta from Odisha. Sangeeta Gaikwad from Maharashtra. Saraswati Malluvalasa from Andhra Pradesh. In the Micro-Enterprise category, the winner is Saraswati Malluvalasa from Vizianagaram, Andhra Pradesh. Drawing from her own experience with domestic violence and gender discrimination, Saraswati recognized the correlation between food insecurity, economic dependence, and violence against women. She established the Millet Sisters, a network of small-scale women farmers to ensure food security through livelihood enhancement, improving the income of over 20,000 women. The CII Foundation salutes her for empowering women by providing livelihood opportunities and presents the Micro Enterprise Category Award to Saraswati Malluvalasa. The 2024 cohort of Women Exemplars join over 100 exemplars who are impacting over 2 million people annually through their work. The CII Foundation salutes these exemplary women who lead by example and become role models for other women.